My name is Anastasia and welcome to my intuitive painting course, where you will uncover your artistic potential and grasp the basics of oil painting. Each lesson consists of two parts. First is meditation, where you will discover the energy and inspiration for creativity. In the second part, you will learn how to paint. In other words, you will receive the inspiration and the tools to create the masterpiece that you always wanted. This course is great for beginners in meditation, as well as for people who are familiar with such practices. It also covers the basics of oil painting, such as composition, rhythm of an artwork, color theory, building a landscape, the importance of tones and shadowing. In this course we'll have 6 lessons, so you will need 6 canvases. I suggest that you take 16 by 20 inches, which is the most common, easiest to find and the most affordable size. You will also need some brushes. At the very minimum you will need 1 big, 1 medium, 1 small and 2 extra small for detail. You will also need a palette knife. You will also need some liquids. This is artistic medium, which you will need to dilute your oil paints. You will also need linseed oil to oil your canvas before each painting. And you will need turpentine to clean your brushes. Of course, you will need some paint. Some oil paints. Please find the list in the full description of this video. As this is an intuitive painting course, I would like to stress the importance of meditation in our journey. In my point of view, the ability to tune in and to understand our feelings is as important as the knowledge of basic concepts of painting. Today I want to give you a small practice called 7 levels of contact. It will help you to tune in and to get connected to the reality. Now let's proceed to the exercise. Remember, the more often you do it, the more you practice, the easier it becomes for you over time. It is particularly useful when you want to stop daydreaming and start acting. If you get distracted during this exercise, if your thoughts carry you away, just pick up wherever you left off and continue. Now I want you to ask yourself a question. What do you see right now? Please find 2 objects and describe them. For example, I see one of my brushes, which is bright yellow, and a bright orange color on my palette. The next question is, what do you hear right now? Please find 2 sounds that you can distinguish and describe them. For example, I hear the noise of the cars outside and the footsteps in the hallway. The next question is, what do you smell right now? I smell oil paints and I can also smell my tea. Breath. Notice how you are breathing right now. Feel the temperature of the air as you breathe it through your nostrils. It is most likely colder than your body. Feel the fresh air coming into your nose. Try to notice how this air goes up and how it changes as you breathe out. Now the sensations in your body. Please find one enjoyable and one unpleasant sensation and describe them. Bring attention to your feelings. Please find one positive and one negative feeling inside you. Something that you are experiencing now or have been feeling lately. For example, I am embarrassed because I am sitting in front of the camera. And I love myself because I took time to paint and meditate today. What are you doing right now? Please describe 2 actions in the present moment. I am touching the canvas with my little finger. I am closing and opening my eyes. Go deeply inside those small movements as you make them. Now remind yourself of your intentions. What do you want to do? I want to create a painting and to go for a walk tonight, for example. The exercise is now complete. Notice how you feel now compared to how you felt before. Remember, even a tiny change counts. As you practice this exercise, you will start noticing the difference. I encourage you to practice it as often as you can, at least a few times a day. I would like to thank you for watching the introduction video to my painting course. Once you are ready, please proceed to the first lesson.